So do you want to live and work in Canada? If that's the case, then you're in luck. Foreign workers have many opportunities to get a visa and work in Canada. Advantages of working in Canada. The advantage of working in Canada is a high standard of living. Canadians enjoy a high quality of life with access to good healthcare, education, and other amenities. It can be a great place to start a family or just enjoy a better lifestyle. My tips for applying for a free visa job in Canada. 1. Do your research. The first step to finding a great job with a free visa in Canada is to do your research. Many websites and resources list available vacancies, so take some time to explore your options. 2. Networking. Another great way to find a job with a free visa in Canada is to chat with people who work in the country. Talk to your friends, family, and colleagues to see if they are aware of any vacancies. 3. Use social media. Social media can be a great tool for finding a job. User sites, such as LinkedIn and Twitter, to search for vacancies and establish contacts with potential employers. 4. Apply early. After you have submitted your application, be sure to consult with your employer. This will show that you are interested in this position and will help you stand out from the competition. What is working on a free visa in Canada? Working with a free visa in Canada is a job that does not require a work permit or visa in order to be able to work in the country. Foreign workers have many opportunities to find jobs of this kind, and they can be found in a variety of industries. To find a job in Canada with a free visa, you can use the search for online job advertisements, company websites, and government databases. You can also contact Canadian embassies and consulates for more information. Once you find a few potential vacancies, you can start the application process. Be sure to provide all the necessary information and supporting documents. Documents required to get a free job on a visa to Canada. The first document you will need is a valid passport, a resume, and a cover letter. Your resume should include your skills and experience, and your cover letter should explain why you are interested in working in Canada. Next, you will need to get a job offer from a Canadian employer. This can be done through online job boards, job fairs, or by contacting Canadian employers directly. As soon as you have a job offer, you can apply for a work visa. The process of applying for a work visa can be complicated, so it is important to seek help from an immigration lawyer or other specialist. But as soon as you have all the necessary documents in order, you will be able to get a visa and start working in Canada. The best job with a free visa in Canada. Some of the best jobs with a free visa in Canada include working as a nanny, au pair, or stay-at-home carer. These positions offer a great way to live and work in Canada while providing valuable care services. Other good work options for a free visa include working as a camp counselor, farm worker, or in the tourism industry. When applying for a free visa job in Canada, be sure to attach all the necessary documentation, such as your resume, cover letter, and any other relevant materials. You may also need to provide proof of your right to work in Canada. As soon as you submit your application, wait for a response from the employer. If you are selected for an interview, be prepared to discuss your qualifications and why you are interested in this position. Work at the Bank of Canada. You can use Job Bank Canada, which is the official website of the Government of Canada, where all vacancies across Canada are published. Use the Job Bank of Canada website to participate in the Temporary Foreign Worker Program. Steps so as not to confuse your profession. 1. Identify your skills. First, you must find a job that is right for you and apply for it. 2. Find companies that sponsor visa. You can search the internet for many companies operating in Canada and see if they accept applications, or you can contact some of the above. 3. Then apply for this job if it suits you. Wait for a response and a job offer. 4. After receiving a job offer, they will tell you and help you with a work visa so that you can participate in the Temporary Employment Program for foreign workers. Conclusion: obtaining a sponsorship visa from the Government of Canada in 2023 may take time and effort. It doesn't feel like a week-long process. Therefore, please be patient and apply only once if you decide to move to Canada or if you are confident that you can do this job. Working in Canada with free sponsorship on a 2023 visa is for you. Before starting the registration process, carefully listen to the following information. The registration form consists of 4 pages. After you fill out the page and click Next, you will not be able to go back and change the previously entered information. Before clicking the Next button at the bottom of any page, be sure to review the page to make sure that all the information entered is correct and all the requested documents are loaded. Before you start, you need to prepare copies of the following documents in format .jpg or PIV to download. A page with a photo of your valid passport, a visa for your current country of legal residence, the results of your language test, your report on the evaluation of educational certificates, your resume, your spouse's resume. After registration, you will receive an email confirming that we have received your information. 1. Working as a maid in hotels in Canada. Average salary. On average, a salary of 19 to 22 Canadian dollars per hour is offered for a maid position in Canadian hotels. In addition, some companies also offer additional benefits such as health insurance, dental care, and housing allowance. Vacancies are offered at the Sydney Pier Hotel and Spa led, Pasutos Hotels led, Gnosis Hotel Management Inc., Summit Lodge Boutique Hotel. 2. Working as a maid in Canada. The shortage of labor in Canada prompted the authorities to open their gates to foreigners. Among many other similar positions, housekeeping is another profession that does not require any previous work experience or educational qualification. Average salary. In Canada, housekeepers are offered 16 to 25 Canadian dollars per hour, depending on the company you work for. Vacancies are offered in hotels Panjapad, Hyatt Regency Vancouver, Mountain View Inn and Suites, Kogar. 3. The work of a security officer in Canada. Overseeing the security of a large business is another position that may interest some of you. Unlike the previous posts that I have discussed so far, some companies have certain requirements for this type of work. This may include 1. Having some work experience in this field for at least 6 months. 2. Common sense and proactive decision-making skills. 3. I am well-versed in technology. Education requirements. Diploma of secondary education. Average salary. Some companies offer 21 to 23 Canadian dollars per hour for the work of a security officer in Canada. Vacancies are offered at Centera Security Solutions LP, Shangri-La Hotels, Gateway Casino and Entertainment led, Pinnacle Protection Services Incorporated. 4. The work of an agent at the front desk in Canada. The reception staff is responsible for the registration of guests in hotels and resorts and eviction from them. This type of work requires qualifications in the hospitality industry or other related fields. In addition, the following skills are considered an advantage for career growth in this field. 1. Honed interpersonal communication skills. 2. The ability to maintain good relationships with customers. 3. Technological expertise. 4. The ability to maintain a friendly appearance. Average salary. Some hotels offer from 25 to 65,000 Canadian dollars per year with additional bonuses, such as staff accommodation and discounts for reception staff. Vacancies are offered at Cabot Cape Breton, RKS Hotels Group, Four Seasons, Canada's best value suite and inns. These were popular vacancies. You can find more useful information in my other videos. Good luck to everyone. Bye to everyone.